Are you presenting the best version of you? Are you presenting the best version of yourself? Just think about what I said, ponder upon that for a few seconds. The best version of you, whatever you're doing, wherever you work, if you have a business, if you're a student, whatever you're doing, are you doing your best? Or are you one of those people who do just enough and you just get just enough results? Are you one of those people who complain about your present day life? You complain about your bills or not being able to pay a car note, but you're not doing anything differently. They say insanity is doing something over and over again, thinking you're going to get different results. So a lot of us are a little insane. I've been insane sometimes myself. But I want to talk to you because your life is for you. And so you have to realize the results that you're getting are based upon what you're putting in. And in most cases, people aren't doing their best. How do you do your best? You do your best by analyzing where you're at in life and understanding and getting a grasp and a grip upon what you want. And if you want something, if you really want it, you're going to go through what people would consider as pain, might be a little suffering. I don't consider it that. I consider it as the process of transformation. And that process of transformation from you going to this life of mediocrity, this life of just getting enough, of just paying my car note, just having a little bit of money left, but never getting what you really want. And what I mean by getting what you really want, I mean when you're going into that store, if you go in the store and you want a pair of shoes and you have to settle for the shoes that only cost $20, but the ones you really want cost $50, or they might cost $100. Or better yet, you want to buy your child the new shoes or sneakers, tennis shoes that came out and they cost $150, and you work like a dog. You've known for half a year what your child wanted, but you had to settle. He got shoes or she got shoes, but they were the only ones, they were the cheap shoes. And you had the feeling of lack of fulfillment. You didn't feel accomplished. You felt less than. Masternomics is here to show you how to transform that, how to get exactly what you want. But it starts with you. You have to start by understanding you can be awesome. There's no limit to what you can be, what you can do, and what you can have. But you have to be the best version of you. You have to do self-work. You have to study yourself. You have to show yourself approved. It starts with you and the decisions you make. Make the decision today to invest some time each day to better yourself, and whatever you want to do, make that investment.